y'all? It's the girl Mel in the crib, so you already know what it is. Welcome to Mellow TV. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a hair maintenance vlog. I've been meaning to do a hair maintenance vlog for the longest, but now I got the time to do it, so we're going to do one today. We're going to be washing my hair, deep conditioning, and retwisting my hair. We're just, hair maintenance, okay? Washing, redoing, all that, good stuff, okay? Y'all like the little pink theme I got going on? I got my pink bonnet, pink pajama shirt. I also got like a pink bra and then, pink pajama. Let me stop. My hair right now is in twists. Okay? My hair right now is in twists. As you can see, this definitely needs to be redone. My hair is a little dry. I moisturized it this morning before going out today, but now it needs to be washed. Like, look at the, because the hair is starting to come out the twist. That's how I know it's time to go ahead and, retwist it. Because I've been swimming, so I think that, ow! Ever get pimples like around the hairline, like right here, and it hurts so bad? I got that right now on my head, and that shit hurts. I'm gonna wash my hair with my twist in because it's gonna be easier for me to, get, clean that scalp and everything, because, hair is parted and all of that. And then just because I'm gonna be retwisting my hair anyway afterwards, I'd rather not have to go through the process of reparting it, because the parting is what takes forever for me, okay? So we're gonna be doing the curl stretch one. I'm still learning more and everything about my hair processing and all that stuff, and I definitely, one of the things that I learned, of course, from TikTok. Some of the things that I learned about my hair and my hair porosity is that low porosity hair loves glycerin, aloe vera, lightweight oils, needs to be moisturized, all that good stuff. The ingredients that I really need to be looking out for my hair is water and glycerin, because glycerin is what really, helps those curls and everything. I'm still learning about it, but just based off of what I found out, So yeah, we're gonna try this. I've never heard of Kalahari melon oil, but I'm really hoping that it works. It has Kalahari melon oil, hyaluronic serum, and marula oil. Never heard of these oils and never tried any of these oils, so hopefully it really works. It says curl stretch, so hopefully it actually is gonna help stretch my curls. I'm trying to do more hairstyles that's like, what's that called, length retention. I'm trying to have my hair, okay. What it looks like. God darn it. Okay. That pimple is, I haven't done a side part in a minute. Should I go back to doing side part, mini twist, or should I stick to the middle part, mini twist? Let me know what y'all think. So far, I really love the texture of it. I don't know, I just like it. I can't really describe it, it just feels good. And it really, oh my goodness, it smells so good. I love hair products that just smell good. Like the Miel pomegranate and honey lime, that one smells delightful. And this right here smells amazing. This so far is definitely a must buy. So instead of like letting it sit like this, I am going to steam it for a bit because I have been swimming and it is really good to steam your hair while deep conditioning. So I got this steamer off a TikTok shop. It's actually a facial steamer, you know, you sit it over your face like this. But good thing is you can actually use it for your hair as well, you know, steam your hair like this, you know, like that. All you do is pour water in this thing right here. There's already some water in there, but we're gonna pour this out and put in some fresh water. Now we're just gonna stick it back in the cup like this. And then you just press this button. And it'll light up a bit. I don't know if you guys can tell. And then I just gotta wait for it to like start steaming up. Alrighty guys, so we have just rinsed out the conditioner. I ate and I am ready to get started on retwisting these twists. I'm going to be, you know, spraying my hair with aloe vera juice, okay? And the way I do it is just like go ahead and just pour it in my bottle. And then I am going to be putting this in here, this curl milk detangler from African Pride. Take the thingy and just go ahead and shake that bad boy out. All right, so we have my hairspray ready. I'm going to be using the Curl Stretch Cream. What is it? Multitasking Volume Cream right here. Okay, I'm going to try to use this along with my hair grease that I made. I like twisting my hair with hair grease because it really helps lock in that moisture. Like it really keeps my hair moisturized, like really, really good. So we're gonna see if these are compatible together, and hopefully so. And after I finish twisting my hair, we're gonna go in with this oil. I have never seen these before, but when I saw them, I was like, wait, I have to get it. We're just gonna go section by section, starting off with the back, of course. I'm gonna take out this twist right here. So you see how easy that was for me to take out? Like, no breakage, no tangles, no nothing. Easy, just like that, okay? So we're gonna go in with this. Oh my goodness, this line smells amazing. So first we're gonna do a compatibility test to make sure both of the products are compatible. I'm gonna put a little bit, ooh, wow, very stretchy. All right, we're gonna put that right there. I'm gonna put some grease on it as well. Just stir that up. Looks pretty compatible to me. And go ahead and apply it to my hair. And then we go ahead and twist. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys, like when I get probably a little closer to the front of my hair, how I twist them. And then, yeah. So I finished 3 rows so far. My twists definitely feel very soft and moisturized, very bouncy, flowy. Put my hair into 3, and I started off as a braid, and I braid down a couple times, and I stop. And then I twist to the right. See? Pretty easy. I feel like the cream is actually really making my twists like stretch. Like, not even gonna lie. Like, it definitely looks like that. So I'm actually ready. Like, I'm excited to see like they've end results. So we're gonna go ahead and keep twisting. All right. So I just checked the time and it is literally 1:49. I went way past the time that I thought I would get done. Last one, y'all. Let's hurry and speed this up because it is, god darn it, it's 2:03. This is what the product looks like in my hair together with the grease as well. Looks really good. Sometimes I also go through with the comb and like twist it like this. It's just to make sure my hair is fully detangled because sometimes my hair does get tangled a little bit quickly. We are all done. So this is what my hair looks like. Hold on. So the product, I really like the way it feels on my hair. My hair feels really soft, really moisturized, and my twists do look a little longer. And like my twist just looks so good. Like, to seal off the night, we are going to seal in that moisture with this right here. A lightweight oil for my hair. Ooh. My twists look way better than how they looked for the past couple of days. They look brand new. They look really fresh, juicy, moisturized, and everything. And I love it. Because we are practicing length retention. Remember, guys, we're practicing length retention. Alrighty. Thank you guys for watching. I do plan to post more like get ready with me videos, you know, hair videos, self-care, maintenance type of videos. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And by staying tuned, you must turn on your post notifications. So go ahead and hit that bell at the bottom. Turn on post notifications. And while you're at it, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because your girl is posting every single month. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys like the video. Please, it means so much to me when you like the video as well. I shall see y'all in the next video. Deuces.